Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a fast video about Commodore 64. Long time ago I have been making any Commodore 64 120 videos. Today we're gonna unbox this one and it's called Video Super Game 64, a Commodore 64 that I got for about 2 years ago. The guy I bought it from, he told me that it was, maybe he said it was as new, or you know what I mean. It should be really nice condition, and I had it for 2 years and I want to document everything on YouTube. You know how I am, but oh man. So that's the first thing we're gonna test, and as you all know, we have two different Commodore 64 models, different colors, but case design. We have the old bread bin model down here, and we have the newer from, I think it was in 86 or 87. They came with this newer Amiga 500 Lite design model. Love them both. So yeah, we're gonna check this one down here. So that's the first part, and the second part of the video is going to be this. We are not going to test a 1541 disk drive or cassette or nothing like that. We're gonna test this cartridge that's called IRQHack64, and it's developed by, oh, it's dark, man, developed by Nejat Dilek, a guy from Turkey that's called Nejat. And let me see, PPC designed by Özay Turan. No, Özay Turay. It's not easy to read, man. So we have got this beautiful cartridge. We're gonna plug it in the Commodore 64's cartridge slot and see micro SD card adapter and see how this one performs. I love everything cartridge, everything with fast load. I mean, and this device has got a button here, and it has got a device for update stuff like that here. We have a ROM here, and we have the micro SD connector at the back. So this allows us to download games, put them on here, and play them on the Commodore 64. So let's just go ahead and unbox this one. All right, so yeah. This is how the box looks. I mean, look at this. It's a really big box, and it says Video Super Game 64. This is how it looks. Inhalt content: Commodore 64 joystick, 3 super games, and this one did cost 595 Danish kroners back then, and 750 Danish kroners is 100 euro. So you do the math. And if we just turn it over to the other side, yeah, again, looks great, man. So let's just go ahead and open this beauty and check what's inside of it. Inhalt. All right, so, oh man. Yeah. First box, there's a box inside the box. Let's just go ahead and open this box and take a look here. Guys, seriously, look at this. 2020. Let's move the camera just a bit. Look at this, guys. Wow. So we have a cartridge inside that's called Music Composer. Brand new, not a scratch on it, man. Looks great. Yeah, so we have this one. Nice. We have a joystick that was included with the GS system. It's called Cheetah Annihilator. And you know what? It's just brand freaking new, man. Look at this. In 2020. Nice. Look at this, man. You can also see here that it hasn't been connected. If it was connected, you will have some some wear on that. So great stuff. Let's see over here. Super games. Willkommen. So we have chess and some. Where's the? Oh, that's over here. Wait. That must be the Super Games. Yes, it is. Commodore 64 Super Games. Great stuff. Let's unpack the rest of the stuff. All right. Took out the box. It was a tight fit. So I'm gonna open this one and take a look inside of it. I mean, look at this, man. Looks really nice. Okay. No, look at this. Let's move the camera. Look at this, guys. Here we should have the PSU inside. So it has been opened. They took the PSU because it needs to have a PSU in here. And we have just a piece of paper in there that says, oh, a lot of addresses. Specialarbejderskolen Aalborg. Alright, no PSU, I have to find a PSU. The Commodore 64, it's maybe the Aldi model or maybe the most sought after, my beloved old Model G. If it's the Model G, I would be so happy. I love that one. They cost a lot of money if it's the G model. So let's just go ahead and take a look. My eyes can't see if it's beige or brown. I don't know, but let's just go ahead and remove this. We have. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, I mean, guys, look at it looks like brand new, man. Oh, let's see if it's the Commodore 64 G model. Oh, I love this one. Oh, guys. Beautiful stuff, man. What a nice Commodore 64. Wow. Yeah. Hamburg. I'm guaranteeing you this is brand new. Okay. Oh, there's something more. It's brand new, man. Service information. It's a German model. Everything is in German. So yeah. Let's go ahead and clean everything and just plug this Commodore 64 on. It's time for the main test now. Okay, so the PSU was missing. What I did is I took one of these. They're, you know, new. I don't want to use nothing old, and it's turned on. I used my zip stick here. So we're gonna turn this one on after 30 years. Usually I will break that seal, I will check everything, but it's unopened and maybe it just works. If not, the fuse would blow if I use the original PSU, but this one gives quality power, guys, quality. The only thing I'm afraid of is actually the SID chip. I have bought a lot of Commodore 64s with dead SID chips, so let's just give it a go. And green. Bam! Perfect. Why? Oh, caps lock. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead, turn it off, check this thing, and put it in up top. And just slide it in like this. I haven't cleaned the cartridge slot, so I don't know if it. We have green. Can you see it on the camera? Yes, you can. Yeah, we have some LED action, and I will just press the reset button? I think. Yes, yes, okay. IRQHack64 file list. Now it has a micro SD card inside, and we have Wonder. Can you read? Let me see. Yes, you can. Wonder Boy, Bubble Bubble. Let's go down. No. With the joystick. No. Plus. Okay, plus and minus. Okay, so Crack Out, my absolute favorite game, man. 1545 diagram, SID player, girls. CMB command disk master. How? F1. Should be page 2. I don't know. Oh, what was that? Oh, that was page 2. Space Wars 1942. A4000 Airwolf. Amiga 500 demo. Arknoid. Oh man. Armorlight Arnie. Batman. Black Knight, Black Thunder. What? Oh, Bubble Bobble. Cobra demo. Cobra Force. Cobra. Commando. Wow. Enter or what? Is it enter? I'm not sure. Yeah, it loads. It's enter. So let's see how fast it actually loads the game. Because this IRQHack64, I just love everything when you just put it in the cartridge slot on the Commodore 64 and it just loads. As you can see, let's just. And unfortunately, we have no. Or maybe wait, space. Come on, SID chip, work. It is loading, as you can see up here. SID chip works. Oh, wait, it's red on the screen, and when I look at the camera, it looks purple light. So the camera doesn't show the picture perfect, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. There we go. One beautiful Commodore 64, my favorite Model G, and it's a little bit, as you can see, with a lot more light. It is actually pretty nice. Yeah, like this. I'm just turning on the light, as you can see. Let's just keep it here. All right. Wow, man, what a computer! This is beautiful stuff. Didn't do nothing with it, so I'm just gonna test it with, as you saw, hundreds of games, man. Let's just see my favorite Commodore 64 game. Here again or what? I don't know. Yes. All right. We're gonna crack out. Okay, let's see if it works. So it loads PRG files, program, Commodore 64 program files, and we have a lot of LED action back here. So there's only a reset button, and then you just control everything on the Commodore 64. Here, next page, and here plus some. Man, it goes so fast. You know how it is with disk drives and cassette tapes. So, my favorite game. My absolute favorite. 2 seconds, guys. Yes. How was it? Music on, please. Mode 1. How do space? Brown. Okay. Love this game. Absolutely, I was just. Whoa. Wow, man. All right. It works. Let's just jump over to the next page. Over here to Commando. Let's go down to Commando. There we go. Wow, instant load, filled with games. Beautiful Commodore 64, Model G. Oh, yes! Okay, we have auto fire on. There we go. Guys, 1986, right? I'm gonna save my friend. Come on over here. Did it, man. I'm just happy this sit chip works. We can throw grenades. There we go. And I think it is the, 81, what's it called? 60 something. 65, 81, I think it's called. The good one. Because it sounds perfect. Whoa! Is there a trainer on or... Wow! Wow, man. What a great game. Alright guys, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this great condition Commodore 64. The Super Video Game 64 model, man. Have a great day out there. RETROCENGO out.